Hello and welcome to Asedoskitchen. Today I'm making a quick and easy baked turmeric chicken recipe. Stop settling for bland chicken and experience the vibrant fusion of golden turmeric, garlic, and spices. This is an aromatic bridge between traditional East African and modern cooking. The ingredients are as listed in the description below, so be sure to check it out as we jump right into the process. I place my cleaned chicken in a large bowl. Then I combine olive oil, lemon juice, turmeric powder, crushed ginger, crushed garlic, onion powder, vegeta, salt, and black pepper. I whisk it all together and pour the marinade over the chicken and rub it on until all the drumsticks are fully coated. I arrange them in a single layer on an oiled baking dish, cover it with cling wrap and let it marinate in the fridge for at least 2 hours. For better flavor, leave this much longer, preferably overnight. My baking dish is a little bit too small, but I'll stick with it as it is. Use a larger one, especially if you want your chicken on the drier side. I preheat the oven to 180 degrees and bake the chicken on the middle rack for 45 minutes. I flip the chicken and increase the temperature to 200 degrees. Then I let it cook for 15 to 20 more minutes depending on the size of the chicken. Once the chicken is cooked to my liking, I allow it to cool a bit before serving. I served it with roast vegetables and it was delicious. My boys also had some rice along with the spooned juices over the top. It also goes well with chips, wedges, or salad. I hope you try this recipe and enjoy it as much as we do. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and comment down below. For more of my simple recipes, remember to subscribe and tap the notification bell to be alerted whenever I post a new video. Thanks for watching and see you all in my next video.